Hey guys, welcome to the Pfsense Basic Setup video. Today we are going to see the very basic. Last time we saw the setup installation of Pfsense, and today we are going to see the basic setup of the installation. So this is the latest version of Pfsense. You can update it from, you can check your updates from right from the dashboard, and you can change your dashboard accordingly or according to you. So you can drag this over here, click save, and if you want to change anything, if you want to add widgets, you can add widgets or remove widgets from here. You can add from here, click plus sign at the top of the bottom top of the page, then click traffic graph. That's what I prefer, traffic graph. And then I will add gateway. Where is gateway? Yeah, right here, gateway. Add a gateway. Okay, I will drag this on the top. That's it. If you want to add any more wedges, you can add it from there. So this is what I prefer to have on my dashboard. Simple as that. And click save. Now we will go to system, advanced, and here first thing we will change is HTTPS port. By default it's of course it's 443, so I will change it to 8443. So it is very safe to do this because the default port 8443 can be targeted by hackers very easily. So we'll change this port and click save on bottom of the page. Click save. Yes, that's it. The port will change and it will redirect you to 8443 within few seconds. It hardly takes 20 seconds to redirect you to this new port 8443. You will see on the bottom, on the top of the address bar, it will show you 8443 once it is redirected. So here we go, it has redirected me to 8443 page port. Cool. So this is done. Now next thing what we will do is go to system again and then click general setup, and over here we're going to change hostname according to you. You can change it, and of course domain name I will keep it local for just to show you guys. And if you see DNS setting, there is DNS setting as well. You can add DNS servers over here if you have any DNS server, or if you want to add any DNS servers here you can add it clicking here, or you can remove it. Just press delete. I will add one more just to show you guys. I will add one more Google server, DNS server, and if you see the bottom of the page, we click save. So this will be saved, DNS settings and host name with domain as well. So this is saved, and now next thing we will do is go to services and DHCP server. We will click enable for DHCP server and give the IP range as per your requirement. What I have done, this is 109.245. and DNS servers I've already mentioned there, but if you want to add any other DNS servers for client DHCP clients, you can add it through here. So these are the basic DNS that I'm going to show just to show you. You can add according to your DNS servers. So but on the page you can see save, click it, that's it. So next thing we are going to do is, one thing I forgot to show you on the dashboard, there's one more widget which is pictures. You can add your company logo over here by adding that widget and choose the picture from your system. In my case I will do, just to show you, I will just put one picture. Yeah, that will do. Okay, so I will click save, please. Save. This is how your logo will look like. This is just a sample just to show you, but you can change it accordingly. And I will just drag it on the top of the page. This looks good. Yeah, perfect. So going ahead with the systems, I will go to DHCP servers again, and if you see, if you want to bind your server's MAC address, you can do it from here. So just to show you, I will go to status, DHCP servers. See, there is no DHCP MAC address been binded yet. So if you bind, it will get, you see here in the status. So we'll go to back to DHCP server settings and add. I will add some random MAC address quickly just to show you guys. Okay. Cool. Cool, that's it. I'll just copy this MAC address just in case. Okay. Then identifier. You can type the server identifier. Then IP address, of course, IP address which your server needs, and the host name of the server. Description, if any, if you want, and scroll down to save. There's an error. Okay, there's an error. Okay, I will show you why this error popped up. I will just change the IP 99. I will do it. Yep, save. So if you click apply, then okay, so if you go to the DHCP server, if you see that IP range over here, I've given 1092.245. So 200 comes in between this range. So IPs in between this range won't be accepted. So we'll have to give an IP which doesn't come in this range. So 99 doesn't come in this range, and so this is done. So I guess for now this is done for the very basic setup of the installation. If you like this video, do share and subscribe to my channel. And for more videos like this, stay tuned to this channel and come back to you. Thank you very much.